I wanted to make sure that I'm not experiencing color blindness, but this RIGOL scope probe rings don't match. So we got yellow, and then we've got some type of blue and a green, but there's no green. Yellow, like a teal, a pink, and a dark blue. So if I use the magic wand in Photoshop, tolerance is set at 32%. They match. If I click on this one, doesn't really match any of them, but it does match the other one here. If I click on this one, nothing matches. Click on this one. Not really. Not good.
Here's the noise signal on channel 4 with a single-ended connection.